From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over a secured business credit builder loan. It's very much like some of the other ones on the personal side, the credit builder loans, such as like Self-Lender, Credit Strong, Seedify. It's kind of like that, but this is for building business credit using your EIN only. So that's what we're going to talk about today. It's a brand new product offered by Credit Strong to build your business credit. So before I get into that, if you could please hit the subscribe button. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to turn the bell notification on. So like I said, this is a fairly new product offered by Credit Strong. They have a personal credit builder loan that reports as an installment loan to build up your personal credit. If you don't have much personal credit or you have bad personal credit and you're rebuilding, then a secured credit builder loan will help build up your FICO score. So they just offered this new product called it's building your business credit using your EIN. So build business credit for your company without using your personal credit. Okay. So you just apply in minutes. If approved, they'll instantly give you a company bank loan. The loan funds are locked in a business savings account to a secured loan. Make small monthly payments to build up to 120 months of payment history. It says, as a bank, they report your payments to major business credit bureaus, building your company's credit profile each month. You can track your progress. So why I'm bringing this product up is a lot of you guys want to get no PG auto loans, and this will be a stepping stone that will increase your chances to be able to get no PG auto loans and equipment leasing, things like that nature. So like it says here, track your progress. We provide an Equifax Business delinquency financial score grade monthly for free, so you can track your progress. And the nice thing about it is you can cancel anytime or pay it off. So, and there's no fees for that as well. So their minimum term is 60 months. We'll get into that here in a minute. 60 months up to 120 months. So it's 5 years or 10 years, but you don't have to do it for, the full 5 years or the 10 years. You could do it for, a year or whatever you want to. There's no prepayment penalty or anything like that. So like it says here, you apply with your EIN. We report credit report under your company's EIN and verify the identity and type of business for eligibility. So there's certain businesses that may not qualify. And I'll probably make another follow-up video about this once I get some more data points directly from Credit Strong. I'm waiting for them to get back to me. So you have to add the owners as a FDIC insured bank. It says they are required to verify the identity of the people that control the company. So they are going to need your social security number, all that information, but they're not going to do a hard pull or anything like that. Okay. So like it says here, start building business credit. Once approved, we'll instantly give you a bank loan and lock the proceeds in a business savings account to secure the loan. As a bank, we report your monthly payments to the major business credit bureaus, building your business credit profile month by month. I kind of went over this already. So let's get into some more details in the FAQs. But like it says here, you can choose between building up to 120 months of payment history for just $115 per month, or building up to 60 months of payment history for $199 per month. The monthly payment for the 60-month account is higher than the 120-month account because you're paying it back paying back the loan principal over a smaller period of time, obviously. So your principal payments are credited to your lock on your business savings account that secures the loan. So as you can see here, 5-year plan, $199 per month, $10,000 installment account reported, build business credit for $199 per month, customize your payment terms up to 60 months, cancel anytime with no penalty. The 10-year plan is also 10,000 installment account reported, and it's like I said, $115 per month. Payment terms can be up to 120 months. Again, you can cancel anytime. There is a $90 non-refundable fee for opening up the account. So that's basically how they make profit, by offering this to you. So it's not too bad. It's $90. That's not bad at all. So let's go through a few of the FAQs. What is Credit Strong Business Credit Builder account? A Credit Strong Business Credit Builder account is a combination of a cash secured commercial installment loan and commercial savings bank account. At origination, the funds from the loan are deposited into a savings account as collateral for the loan, and a lock is placed on the savings account for the life of the loan. The loan and the payment activity for the loan are reported to the commercial credit bureaus, building your business credit profiles. Can you make withdrawals from the credit builder account? No, you can't until you either cancel the loan or until the loan matures. So like it says here, what's the difference between a financial trade line and a vendor trade line? A financial trade line is an extension of credit from a bank or a financing company. For example, a business loan from a bank, commercial, credit card, or equipment leasing financing. A vendor trade line is an extension of credit from one company to another company. Purchase goods, services, so it's basically the net 30 accounts. Credit Strong Business Credit Builder accounts reported $10,000 installment loan financial trade to commercial credit bureaus. And like it says here, will hurt your business or personal credit if you do a loan? No, it will not. What's required, basic information. I'm not going to go through all this, but you can check the link in the description below. But it's just basic standard information. But you do have to be in business for at least 6 months and be an LLC, partnership, or a corporation and located in the U.S. And obviously have your EIN. And let's see here. Now, this is what, basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about. And that's what credit bureaus do. They report to. So the Credit Strong Business Credit Builder accounts are reported to Equifax and PayNet. PayNet's really not anything to even concern yourself with. They also plan to expand commercial credit reporting to Experian and Small Business Financial Exchange in the near future. So that's going to be really great, especially when they start reporting to the Small Business Financial Exchange and Experian. But one thing I want to point out is a lot of the no PG auto loans that you can get out there, a lot of them are actually pulling data from Equifax. Even though Experian Commercial and Dun and Bradstreet are the two biggest business credit bureaus out there, but Equifax is actually used quite a bit with business auto lending, auto lenders. So this would be great. And if you guys followed all my other videos, especially about getting a no PG auto loan that I did, 4 or 5 months ago, and even recently, you guys, will know I always talk about you need to have at least 1,000 or higher trade line or like installment account or revolving account, something like that, showing at least $1,000 usage, utilization, trade experience. So this kind of is perfect for that, so if you can afford it, I would say definitely, sign up for this. Your money's secure, you get the money back. So if you only did it for, say, a year just to, get that reporting, that's fine. And then you can just basically close the account down. It's not going to hurt your business credit scores really, and you'll get your money back, minus the $90. So like it says here, is there any fee for canceling or closing your account early? No, you can cancel your business credit builder account at any time, and there's no prepayment or early termination fees. So like I said, guys, this is very important if you guys want to get, say, down the line, you guys want to get a no PG auto loan or equipment financing, anything like that, large funding from a bank, because they share data between the personal side and on the business side, especially with the small business financial exchange. That's, they're going to be reporting to that here, hopefully, as they're talking in the near future. So all that data is being exchanged, and the major banks that are giving no PG auto loans and some of the equipment financing and different, startup small business lenders out there, underwriters, they're going to see, this installment loan. They're not going to know that it's actually like Credit Strong, because it's going to be through like another underwriter that's doing it, like a financial bank that Credit Strong works with, but it's definitely going to show that you can handle, mixed accounts, different types, not just net 30 accounts. They like to see a mix of, loans, credit cards, and net 30 vendors, so I think that's it for this video. I'll make a follow-up video soon about this, but like I said, if you're looking to get a no PG auto loan or major lending down the line, business lending, or equipment financing, equipment leasing, this would be a good option, especially if you just started building your business credit in the last 6 months, or you've been in business at least 6 months. This is a great option for you. Okay. So do your own research, of course, but this is definitely, I think, a game changer, because there's really nothing out there like this. Okay. So you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section. If you like this video, smash a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And again, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification on. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.